creature that may not reach the size of half a hand's palm creates a noise in the forest as if you were in a carpentry workshop. 20 strikes per second with a force 20 times greater than a knockout punch by a boxer, repeated 12,000 times in a single day, 80 million times throughout its life. Its head, the size of a walnut when faced directly with this striking force, can withstand 15 times the pressure endured by astronauts and fighter pilots without suffering from concussion, retinal detachment, or even a headache. An operating system within this head makes you contemplate the wonder of this creature's design, prompting scientists to attempt to explain this biological marvel, hoping to benefit from it in engineering and designing tools and objects that interact with similar pressure forces. Additionally, they seek to find optimal solutions for raising safety levels in car and motorcycle collision accidents, not to mention helmets designed for American football players and other inventions. In dissection and observation, they found that the woodpecker's brain structure consists of flexible, spongy bones. Its lower beak is longer than the upper one, preventing direct impact on the brain. Another marvel lies in the design of the woodpecker's extremely long tongue, initially believed to be solely for capturing insects from the depth of trees. However, it turns out that the tongue's supporting bone wraps around the skull and ends between the eyes. In less than a fraction of a second and with each strike, these muscles and bones contract and the tongue wraps around the brain, forming something akin to a safety belt that absorbs shocks. Additionally, there's an inner eyelid that closes rapidly to protect the eye from scattered debris. Imagine that this complex and precise process repeats 20 times per second. But the most recent discovery is the mechanism of blood flow from the brain to the heart and the bird's ability to reduce this flow by pressing on the vein, resulting in brain enlargement during the pecking process, enhancing its efficiency, protection, and reducing vibrations. Scientists have found that this technique can be used in designing spacesuits for astronauts, fighter pilots, and American football players, improving brain efficiency without leaving any side effects on health. In every detail around us, there's advanced scientific engineering embodied in birds, animals, or plants. Science is the key, and contemplating this creation holds a lot of hope.
And so much more on your channel. Fact Not Fake.